I am mining 51 coins a day. It's worth $35 in their cryptocurrency. On average, their cryptocurrency has been trending upwards in price, and I put in 10 Solana to be able to do this. So that was essentially $1,400. The minimum is 0.1 Sol, or basically $14. But this is where it gets crazy. If nothing changed, and of course everything's always changing in crypto, I would break even in 40 days. And I'm gonna post an update in 40 days or less if I broke even, or if it's got longer, or if I am. So this is a pretty new DApp, or decentralized application. It's gamified on-chain mining, right? And it's called GNOME mining, if you've heard of it before, but you probably haven't. It's pretty new, it's pretty small. The entire game, if you will, functions entirely with the Telegram bot. And this is what that game looks like. So if you like this content and you want to support the channel, you want to see more stuff like this, please consider supporting us by using our link. A huge thanks to all of you viewers for always making all of these videos worthwhile and possible, as well as GNOME for supporting this video. So you click the link, it pulls up this GNOME game on Telegram. This is the official GNOME account, GNME bot. And from here, this is basically where it all starts. So to get started, you need to put some Sol in, or Solana, right? So this is all taking place on the Solana blockchain. You click deposit Sol and you get this address. Here, I'm gonna open up Phantom. You can use any Solana wallet or even just withdraw straight from an exchange. And I'm gonna go ahead and send 1 Sol over there. So Solana, centralized blockchain, but a pretty quick blockchain. So we can check the balance, and already it's there. So once it's here, I can buy hash power, right? And so look, it's not financial advice, it's not an endorsement. You do whatever you want to do. Be responsible for your own actions. I'm not telling you to do a thing. I'm having fun. I'm doing this, showing you how it goes. And I'm going to do a couple update videos or segments on kind of how this plays out in the long term. And at the end of the day, like this is gamification, and they're going to do things to try to keep this project going, moving forward, of course, sure. In the era of meme coins, to be honest, projects don't need a purpose. They don't need a white paper. All they need is marketing. And that's been proven time and time again. What are the chart toppers over the last year? Many of them are meme coins. So alas. So you saw me buy the hash power. My hash power is up to 10,000 now. You get 1,000 hash power for every Sol you put in. So I have 10 Solana put into this contract. And with that, you can see my percent of the global hash rate. I'll be estimated to mine 51 GNOME coins per day if nothing changed, right? And so this is gamification of mining. We see the network hash rate, right? The total combined hash that people have bought, right? And you're just putting Solana in, and you're getting a piece of the mining rewards. Like it's a gamified mining style where you're obviously literally not mining. So with that puts me on the board at number 53 with 10,000 hash power. And I posted my link in the Discord server when I was working on the research for this. And I've got a couple referrals, and I've earned a whopping 0.165 Solana. So let's bring it back to the coin, right? This coin has been taking off, to be honest. Basically nothing was going on for a while, and it's been trending upwards since then. No Mining describes himself as a Solana-based mining game. Purchase hash power, mine GNME, experience crypto mining through an interactive Telegram platform. Again, new, 613 followers, and I did verify that in addition to depositing, right, you can also withdraw from their platform, right? So I've got a little bit of coin in there right now. I click withdraw, it automatically happens because I had gone into the settings here and I had set up my withdrawal address. On paper, I would break even in 40 days, but there are some tokenomic mechanics that are going to make that more difficult. You click the link to be brought to the bot. Please take the time to click our link and support our content. From there, you can send Sol to the mining wallet and get started. You can buy the hash power. 0.1 Sol equals 100 hash power. Their mining process, the game makes 1,200 blocks a day. Block time adjusts between 1 to 2 minutes to maintain this rate. Each block distributes GNME tokens to miners based on their hash rate. Daily emissions started at 1,000 tokens, increasing by 1,000 each day up to 20,000. But a halving occurs every 20 days initially, with periods doubling each time. Your earnings are proportional to your share of the total hash power. You can claim your rewards as often as every 15 minutes, and they're sent to the withdrawal address right outside of this game that you specify. There's also a referral program where you can earn SOL from the people you refer. The tokenomics here are 30% of the Solana used for hash power goes to buy and burn the GNME tokens, potentially pushing the price up, right? That's why anyone burns their tokens. 35% of the Solana is used to build liquidity. And I hope that that's locked forever in the contract. That would be the best thing and be the right thing to do with this project. I would love to get clarity on that. 20% of the Solana goes to the dev and treasury wallet. This is used for network fees, developer costs, server fees, other expenses, and of course just making them money. There's no need to be shy about that. And then the 15% towards their referral program that is mentioned above. They illustrate that 10 million tokens are locked in a sync flow contract, 1 million GNME tokens are locked in a Jupiter post-launch contract to protect from contract risk there. These tokens are slowly released daily to the Treasury wallet. The Treasury wallet uses these tokens for mining rewards. The initial liquidity was 10 million GNME tokens and 20 SOL in the liquidity pool. Is reportedly locked on Meteora. Developers earn fees from swaps on Meteora to help sustain the project. They boast that this tokenomics model is designed for long-term sustainability, rewarding early adopters and active participants while maintaining a healthy token economy. While their project has not been specifically audited, the Streamflow contract that they use has been audited. So to be honest, like anything, there's risks, but it's essentially a gamified meme coin with mining, branding, and components, and I think that's cool and fun, and appreciate the opportunity to check this out. And I'm to be honest, I'm really curious if this is going to work out, and I'm hopeful, right? And it's one of those things. Obviously, the earlier the better you get in. You can kind of say that about anything. And my number one goal, honestly, is to break even. It's really a simple conservative goal I have with most things. I'm looking to break even. At the point that I can break even, I own the hash power, right? So if I own the hash power and I've broken even, then it's just all profits at that point. And maybe at that point I would take the profits and look at reinvesting and so forth. Many of my initial goals, again, it's on the more conservative side, are simply just to go, number one, break even, and then we'll go from there, because that keeps me alive, that keeps me in the game. That's one of the reasons why I'm almost at year 10 in the crypto space, which is treacherous at times, to be frank. I think the only other thing is it's easy to trade the coin, right? It's decentralized trading, so I just have my Phantom wallet connected here on Jupiter. It's really easy to get here because in the app you can just click trade GNME and it'll take you right here. Let's just say I want to sell some coins, right, for like 1 Solana. So what will be interesting, right, at the time of recording this video, 210 coins can be traded out for 1 SOL token. That's creating a price impact of 2%. And these transactions are cheap, quick, easy. 3, 2, 1, and done. So just like that, I take profits, right? If you want to claim tokens, you just click claim tokens. Let's see, my claimable balance right now is 2.4 tokens. I'd already clicked claim on those. And then shortly after, and here we can see that the claim was successful, transaction ID, and so forth. So if nothing else, I hope you guys subscribe, stick around, and see how this pans out for me. Hope you like the content. I'm looking forward to getting back to just mixing it up. It's been a lot of just single focus content lately. So hey, I'm Vosker on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. This is our CMO, our Chief Mining Officer. We're 10 seconds tails in every video. And hey, hope you're having a good one. And as always, do your own research. See you later.
Yeah.